Okay, right. So dear students, welcome to my second video. So in this video we are going to see the second type of geometrical construction. So here we are going to divide the given circle into some equal parts. Okay, so let us consider, for example, the diameter of the given circle is 100 mm and we are going to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So please watch these steps carefully so that you can understand easily, right? So first take the compass and measure the given diameter and draw the draw the circle to the given diameter. Okay, draw the circle to the given diameter. So now you have to divide this circle into first two equal parts. So either vertically or horizontally you can divide this circle into two equal parts and then go for four equal divisions. So we know that, so there will be center point, and at that point what you do is mark that at the center point, draw the vertical line. Now the circle has been divided into four equal parts. So now, so let us give the names to the four divisions: A, B, C, D. Okay, so now take the compass and take the radius of the given circle. Okay, take the radius of the given circle and now place the compass pin at the point A and draw the arc above the line AB, below the line AC. Now change the position from A to B. Now draw the arc to the left side as well as to the right side on either side of the BD line. Now change the position from B to C. Draw the arc below the line AC, above the line AC, right, on the circle, and change the position from C to D. So now keeping the point D as center, put the arc on either side of the line BD. Okay, so we had drawn arcs on all the four quadrants. So now take the scale, join the arcs towards center at all the points. Okay, join. So join this at all the points. So once you join, you can see that, so you had divided the given circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, right? So now the circle has been divided into 12 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you can use the protractor also to divide the given circle into n number of equal parts. So it is not mandatory to use compass and pencil. So you can use protractor also to divide the given circle into n number of equal parts. Okay, so I hope you all understood. So now let us move on to the other one, how to bisect the line, the third one. Okay, so the third one, what we are going to say is how to bisect the given line. So in this, it is very easy. Let us consider the line AB. For example, the line AB of 70 mm. So you have to find out the bisecting point of this line AB. So first step, take the scale and draw the line to the given dimension. Draw the line to the given dimension AB, so which is equal to 70 mm. So now take the compass, place the compass at A and draw the arc. Take the compass, place the compass A and take the distance greater than or 3/4 of the line AB. So it should be greater than the half of the length. Okay, so the length or the radius what you are taking should be greater than the half of the length of the line AB. So then only you will be getting the bisecting point. So after putting the arc, you can see that, so these arcs, so when you join this, when you put the arcs on either side AB, so you'll be getting the intersecting point above the line AB and below the line AB. So just draw the light line and this point will be the bisecting point. Okay, so this one is very easy step, how to bisect the given line. So now try to practice this two geometrical constructions and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.